This is what you get many times, definitely in Thailand. This is everything I got. This backpack. I have my computer and my clothes. And in the small box under my ass, I also have a couple of things. I can manage myself for 1 month with this pack. You don't need to bring your home when you're going out. Bring a little bit. You just use a laundry or you just wash it up yourself in your bathroom and hang it on dry. I never check in luggage. So that's why I can go on a motorcycle trip without any problem. This is what I like about going out back with my motorbike. Especially in Thailand, you find these small spots where you can stop and just relax, take some fresh refreshments, just look around. And now I'm going to buy an orange shake. Okay, orange. Okay. Planning to go on road trips in Thailand on your motorbike, go outback. It's longer way sometimes, but skip the highways, the motorways. Yeah, it's really amazing nature here in Phang province. So finally I am at Samet Nangshe and I need to find a way up. Hello. It was not possible to take your motorbike up here, so I'm a little lucky for that also. It cost 90 baht to go up here in this bumper ride. Oh, that's funny. So finally I survived the trip up to the mountain. Samet Nangshe. This is an amazing view over this enormous limestone islet you can see here. And the Thailand government try to do everything to stop the pollution over these limestone mountains and keep them safe for the future. If it's a clear night, you can even see the Milky Way from here. Now I just come to some market here and I really need to eat something. I'm so hungry. In the middle of nowhere. Guy? Chicken. Song? Song? Guy? Hugh? Hugh. $50. And it's amazing barbecue chicken. Aroi mak. Best food in the world. Thai sweet kitchen. In the jungle. Literally in the jungle. I went from Samet Nangshe across Phang city, and then I booked this nice homestay on booking.com, and you really live in the jungle here. I have so lot of animals here. I have squirrels on the roof. I don't know how many squirrels I have heard and seen in the trees here. And the monkeys in the trees, they are everywhere here. But they are afraid of me, I think. They don't really want to come here. And I'm not going to feed them with some banana or something. Because if I do that, I can have a lot of them here. And that's lizards here. And you have this amazing sound of cicadas. It's so loud. I really need mosquito net. If you're sitting outside here on the veranda and drinking a shang. Oh, this is really cozy. And tomorrow I'm going up north. So good night from the jungle of Phang. Good morning in Thailand. I really like to wake up early in the morning when I'm out and traveling. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun has just risen on my guest house in the middle of the jungle, and I have my coffee. When you're in the jungle like this, it's like everything wakes up, not just the people. You hear sounds of birds, insects. I have a rooster here and a hen and a chicken on this guest house. I have 2 dogs. They're mourning when they saw me. They just woke up when I come here. They wave their tail and was so happy when they saw me. I wake up before the hostess. So, a new day in Phang province. It's 100 kilometers left to the Ratchaprapa Dam. And that's going to be an amazing experience, because it's Ratchaprapa Lake, I think it's called that. It's Thailand's 3rd biggest lake. So that you can rent kayaks there and so on. It's going to be a big dam. So it's going to be 100 kilometers now, and that's quite a long way with a moped. Ah, one hand brake. And now I'm in a small town called Phang, and I'm taking a new shortcut. I don't like to go on these motorways. Okay, let's move on to the Ratcha Prapa Dam. Let's buy some snacks. Welcome to Bandin Skjæveland. This is the closest place you can stay if you go to Ratcha Prapa Dam, and it's very nice here. I'm going to stay 2 nights now because I love it so much. Sleep in the bungalows. It's really jungle feeling here. It's perfect spot to stay if you want to go around the dam and look at the lake and take some long-tail boats and so on and so forth. So I really recommend here this place. So down there I have my room. This is what you get many times, definitely in Thailand.